The other day, I got a call from a worried parent whose child had just been bitten in the face by a dog. And she asked me, how do I choose the right attorney to represent me and my child after this dog bite? And the first thing I told her is you have to be able to establish a level of comfort and trust with that attorney. Attorney-client relationships are built on comfort and trust. Next, you need to hire someone who devotes a large part of their practice to personal injury law and has experience in dog bites specifically. Dog bites are different than car wrecks. Different laws apply as to whether someone is responsible if a dog bites someone. Next, you need to hire a trial attorney. Trial attorneys work cases differently. Also, insurance companies know who the trial attorneys are, and that gives you a better chance at a fair settlement offer. Lastly, if in the rare case you are unable to resolve your case, you're ready to go to trial. And you need to have a trial attorney for that. Please don't hesitate to call our office. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to meet with you and answer them.